Welcome to DV Comm channel, your go-to source for all things network cabling and communication solutions. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of network cabling that often goes unnoticed but plays a huge role in your system's performance: reduced interference. Quality cabling isn't just about fast speeds, it's also about ensuring stable and clear signal transmission by minimizing electromagnetic interference, or EMI. Electromagnetic interference can be a major culprit when it comes to poor connectivity. Sources like power lines, electrical equipment, and even other data cables emit signals that can disrupt network traffic. But with properly shielded, high-quality cabling, such as Cat6a or fiber optic cables, interference is minimized, ensuring that data flows smoothly. This means faster uploads, clearer video calls, and more reliable connections. Let's explore the benefits of reduced interference. At DV Comm Systems, we install cabling that's specifically designed to resist EMI. By using quality materials and expert installation techniques, we provide our clients with dependable, interference-free networks. And the difference? Smoother streaming, uninterrupted workflows, and less downtime. This commitment to quality cabling not only enhances performance but also extends the life of your network components. Remember, when it comes to network stability, quality cabling makes all the difference. Thanks for joining us on the DV Comm channel today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone looking to improve their network reliability. Got questions? Call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us at www.dvcsny.com.